Let's pack the Manchester United magnets. Last night I made a small little design on Canva. I printed using my really bad printer, so I'm not really judging the quality, but it's fine. It's not the worst thing on this planet. And all we have to do now is just put them into the packing. Being a small business owner and solo entrepreneur, actually, you have so many duties. You have to make content, you have to make the product, you have to make the packaging, you have to source material, you have to, go to fleas, do the workshop, everything. So it can get overwhelming. But then again, this is life. Life gets overwhelming. And I feel so at peace while doing all of this that it just fills my soul. So I wanted to share the process and follow along the journey.